What's up and welcome to Smart Money, where our mission is to give our viewers the motivation to make more money and the skills to keep it. Many parents wish to start their child's journey towards financial literacy and independence, but they don't know where to begin. Parents want to build their child's credit score and open a bank account for them. But for this to happen, they need to make their child an authorized user of their credit card and go to the bank. And it is a very long and difficult process that is not teens friendly. But now this won't be a problem anymore because Step has launched a new mobile banking service built specifically for teens. What is Step? How does it work? And what are the pros and cons of the Step app? We're going to review Step in today's video, so don't forget to stick around till the end and find out everything you need to know about this all-in-one app created to help teens start their financial journey. Please give this video a thumbs up before I go on so that the YouTube algorithm can continue to deliver you videos like this. So what is Step? Step is an all-in-one banking app. It is a bank account, a credit card, and a money management app that was built with the intention to help teens and guide and ease the process for them to start their financial journey and open their first bank accounts or credit cards. It was founded by CJ McDonald and Alexei Kalinichenko, and until now it has gotten the attention of many social media sensations and celebrities like Charli D'Amelio, Justin Timberlake, Will Smith, and Eli Manning. Though adults can also use the app, the major target of Step are individuals between 13 to 18 years old. Step is a completely free service that provides a bank account and a Visa Step card, and it has zero monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. It also gives teens the flexibility to make ATM deposits. Step avoids using labels for its service, and instead of calling its account a saving or checking account and the Visa Step card a credit or debit card, they prefer to be known as a complete solution where their customers can deposit an amount and keep their money and also have a secured card through which they can shop anywhere. So now that you know about Step, let's get into how it works. How does the Step app work? The Step card. So, as I told you earlier, Step offers a Visa Step card, but it is neither a secured credit card nor a debit card. Usually, traditional secured credit cards improve your credit score and help people with bad credit. The Visa Step card helps teens only spend the amount of money that is in their Step account. It doesn't require them to make monthly payments on their purchases, as all the money they spend is backed up by the cash in their Step account. If their Step account has $200, then they can only spend $200. Step card helps teens build their credit history without having to make any monthly payments as traditional secured credit cards. You can only fund your Step account through the app with a linked bank account, debit card, or direct deposit, and cannot deposit any money through the ATM. But ATMs can be used to withdraw money with no fees. The Step Bank account. In order to open a Step Bank account, teenagers under the age of 18 need a sponsor who is over 18 years old. Sponsors have the authority to monitor the spending activities of the teenager, and they can also add money to their account or freeze the teenager's card if needed. Teenagers under the age of 18 can open a Step account, but in order to use the Visa Step card or add money to the account, they need a legal guardian over the age of 18 who can act as their sponsor. Although cash cannot be directly deposited into the Step's account, parents or the sponsor can transfer money into the teenager's account through another bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or a debit card. You cannot write a check from the Step account. Also, the bank account offers no interest on deposits and is FDIC insured for up to $250,000. Parents or teenagers who are looking to store a lot of money in their account shouldn't go with Step. Instead, they should choose a high-yielding saving account because Step doesn't offer interest. Saving accounts yield higher returns and are a good option for saving money. Step app is available on both the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. The app also offers users a glimpse into their own spending habits, which makes it easier to budget and understand the expense options they can cut back on. The app also offers peer-to-peer payments so the kids can easily receive money from their friends and family. Even though Step is not so great for people who are looking to get higher returns on their savings accounts, it is still a good option as it offers a saving goal feature. Teenagers can set specific goals to save toward, and watching their progress bar fill up can be a satisfying way to encourage them to save. Step parental control. When it comes to a financial app that deals with kids, parental controls are of great importance. Step gives access to both the parents and the children through separate apps. Parents can access the spending habits of their children along with their transactions and balances, and they will get notified if their child is low on money. Step allows parents to monitor their child's account, but it doesn't give them robust parental control like other apps. Parents can also set up alerts to stay up to date on what their kids are doing with their money, which is a good feature to monitor their transactions and make sure they are on the right track. Fees. Step has a mission of making banking easy and painless for teens, which is why it has zero fees. There are no monthly overdraft, ATM, or interest rates to pay. Also, what makes the process of getting started easy is that there are no minimum deposits required, which I think is great. You can withdraw your money from any of the 35,000 ATMs in the Step network, as they don't charge any fees. However, if you withdraw money from an ATM outside of their network, you will be charged. Like other credit cards, Step makes money through interchange fees whenever someone uses a Step card. How to open a STEP bank account? I know you were wondering how you can open a STEP account. It's a very easy process. First, you have to go to their website and get STEP. After that, you have to download the STEP app and create an account by entering your personal details, as we usually do when we sign up for different apps. After you are done creating your account, you will get the STEP card within 14 to 21 business days through the mail, and then you just have to activate the card. STEP requires information like your full name, date of birth, social security number, and address. It doesn't perform a credit check while opening your account, but because it offers FDIC-insured banking, it needs this info to check your identity. Transaction limit. Parents may use their child's STEP account for various purposes apart from helping their child with money, so it's important to know the limitations of the account. As I said, STEP is not for people who are looking to hold a lot of cash. However, the $10,000 maximum account balance is more than enough for most children and even many adults. The STEP users can send and receive up to $3,000 within 30 days from their peers, and the daily purchase limit is $1,000 for debit card transactions and $500 for Apple Pay or Google Pay. With regards to ATM withdrawals, you can withdraw $250 per day, up to $1,000 within 30 days, and up to 10 withdrawals per 30 days. The STEP Smart Pay feature only lets you spend up to your current account balance. Also, since you cannot enroll in online bill pay for preauthorized withdrawals, you cannot overdraft your account. Pros and cons of STEP. To make it easier for you to know whether STEP is right for your child or not, let me tell you some pros and cons of this banking application. Pros: STEP doesn't have any hidden fee and is completely free. It is specifically designed for teenagers, encouraging kids to build credit from a very young age. Unlike traditional credit cards, there are no interest rates, monthly payments, or risk of overspending. STEP has separate apps for both the kids and parents, and it makes the process of monitoring easier. The STEP app and account are easy to use and give you free ATM access. While there are a lot of advantages of using STEP, let me tell you a few cons. Cons: STEP has parental control options, but they are limited compared to other apps. Also, the ATM withdrawal limit is $250 per day, which is quite restricting. Their app is great, no doubt, but it has fewer features than its competitors, and it doesn't have in-app educational features to educate the kids on the financial process and independence. Also, you cannot earn interest on your account, and STEP doesn't offer an investment account. It's always advisable to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision, and when deciding whether STEP is for your child or not, you should consider both the positive and negative aspects of their app and account. Competitors. If you want to look at some alternatives to STEP, I am going to tell you about some just in case you want to look over other choices you have. Greenlight Debit Card allows your children to earn up to 2% back on debit purchases and make a budget with saving, spending, and giving categories. They also offer in-depth parental control, offering 3 plans starting from $4.99 up to $9.98. Similarly, there is Copper Banking, which gives many benefits like automated allowance payments, financial literacy lessons, saving goals, and 50,000 fee-free ATMs. Similarly, there are other alternatives to STEP like Chase First Banking, FAMZoo, BussyKid, etc. that offer similar services. STEP Card reviews. I know many people read feedback and reviews before signing up for any service. You can read feedback from people about STEP on various sites, including Google Play Store and Apple Store, along with Trustpilot and Crunchbase, etc. If I mention feedback from some people, that according to Maze, overall they are 10 out of 10. She has found the only bank that takes people her age, and they have a savings feature, and you can reload your card now and more. But she hopes to see a feature where you can deposit checks as well. According to Kozianov_4, STEP's app is cool, and you should really go for it if you want to keep all of your money on one little card instead of having to carry loads of cash. Overall, STEP is a good choice for teenagers who are getting their first credit card and bank account. But STEP has its pros and cons, and before going for it, you should consider doing proper research and consider all the points we discussed today. This was all from my side today. What do you guys think about STEP? Is it good for kids or not? Tell me your thoughts in the comments. Check out these videos on your screen on how to improve your finances. If you like this video, hit the like button to receive more content like this. Be sure to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.